so we have some top round today. I am fixing to slice up here. Now, I want this to sit out and sweat for a few minutes. Soak up some of the seasoning. So I'm going to hit it with a touch of chili powder. Not much. Some Lowry's. Then I'm going to come back and hit it with this Kinder's, they call it the blend. It's salt, pepper, garlic. I'm going to let that set and soak that up for about 10 minutes. Then I will come back, flip it over, do the other side, and we are doing this in the air fryer tonight. So a little bit of a healthier meal. Okay, so steaks are going in the air fryer. Oh, I got there right. Going to turn it on 15 minutes at 400 degrees. So we will be back and check on them shortly. Okay, so they've been going for 15 minutes. I'm just going to pull one out and see where we are at as far as cook. Oh yeah. We'll let them go for about 15 more minutes. Same degrees. Okay, I'm going to check on another one. Still likes a little bit. Okay, so I've went ahead and pulled mine off because I am a medium well person. So, that looks good. I'm going to let it sit there and rest. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you next time.